Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Today I did this full face look to complement my little outfit I've got going on today, so let's go ahead and get to it. So I went ahead and primed my eyes with my MAC 24-hour Prep and Prime, and I'm going to be using for an eyeshadow palette today is the Milani Luster Light eyeshadow palette. This is full with a bunch of like neutrals and berry colors. There's a lot of duochromes in here, like this swagger up here. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get to it. Alrighty, so I'm going to go into adulting right here, and I'm just going to put this into my crease. And then I'm just going to pack a little bit on the corner here, or a lot of it. And then we'll do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to take a little fluffy blending brush and I'm just going to kind of blend this out and just buff out these edges. And I'm just going back and forth, very light-handed. And now I'm like swirling out this up. I'm swirling out this up. I'm swirling this up and out. So I'm sorry I haven't been on as much lately. I've just been kind of honestly down in the dumps a little bit and just, I don't know, just trying to get my life back together, I guess. I don't know, my life's together, so I can't really say that, but I don't know, I just feel like, I don't know, I've been feeling like myself, I guess, which I don't really like. I want to feel like me, and that's kind of why I'm hopping on today for a little bit and just trying to put a little bit of makeup on, just in hopes that'll make me feel just a little bit better. And getting to kind of talk to y'all. Because otherwise, like, I'm doing pretty good. Work's been pretty busy this past week, which has been good. I've just been honestly busy. I've been kind of tired from working so much. And I say so much, but just from work, I've done a lot of I've been waxing a lot. And I'm just a little tired from that. And yeah. Alrighty, I like where this is going. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this 24-hour, it says 24/7 chill. And I'm just going to kind of put this up here on my brow bone. Next, I'm going to go into Eat Cake here, and I'm going to pack this all onto my lid. And then I'm just going to lightly dust this around. It's cute. And I'm just going to go back into adulting and just kind of reinforce it on my crease line. And on these corners, on this outer corner. And then I'm just gonna lightly blend it up. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go into Swagger here, and I'm gonna put this on my inner corner. And then I'm going to put it on the inside of my eyelid. And I don't want to go any further over than where I just hit. Which is pretty much, I don't want to go anywhere outside of like my iris. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. And I just lightly took the blending brush. I just took it up to that highest point and then in and out. Right where the edge of that shimmer swagger went. And then I'm just gonna take Adulting and just kind of drag it underneath my eye a little bit. And then I'm gonna just lightly, lightly blend this out. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera and I'll be right back. Psych, I'm back. So instead, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of speed through the rest of my face. I did already go ahead and put on my Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil on my skin. And I also went ahead and put on my Fenty Flypencil in Big Truffle on my waterline. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze blush and highlight really quickly and slap on some mascara and we're gonna be good to go. So let's go ahead and bronze it up. I'm gonna be using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and Sunkissed Bronzer. And I just want to do a light little bronze, nothing too crazy. I'm not really doing anything today. I might do a little bit of painting, hang out, maybe play some Animal Crossing, especially since there's new stuff going on with Animal Crossing right now. There's fireworks. Let me know if you're playing Animal Crossing. Put your Switch code down below. I will totally, we can be great friends on Animal Crossing. The crossing of the animals. And as you can tell, my face has been mad breaking out. And I feel like there's not much we can do about it except continuously blot our face. You can only wash your face really so many times in a day as well because you don't want to go and strip all your natural oils as well. So I feel like we're just kind of stuck with this. And it is kind of what it is, you know? Alright, so next I'm going to be moving on to blush. I'm going to be using my OFRA blush. This is a blush Sweet Stuff. This is the Madison Miller. And I'm actually just going to take this same brush and go into here and just lightly put some blush on here. And I'm just putting the blush a little bit higher than where my contour was. And I'm just going to take the same brush and I'm just kind of like doing like little pounces on it. I don't really want to drag too much through it because I feel like since it's a tinted skin veil, you can see my skin so much better, or so much better. You can just see my skin more. I feel like if I went and did if I started kind of like pulling it on my face, I feel like it's gonna come out a little more patchy. So I'm trying to just like really lightly swirl on my face, but like pounce it back in. You can definitely see like where I have this discoloration on my skin for sure. Not so much on this side, besides like this one spot here right now. And maybe a little bit up here, but you can definitely see like this bigger, darker patch, couple breakout. This is my breakout side. You notice, definitely my breakout side. Well, all right, well, we've got some blush on. Let's highlight. Alrighty, and I'm gonna be using my Becca highlighter, and this is in Rose Quartz. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and lightly dust my cheeks. Like, look at, like, whoa, crazy. And then I'm just taking this one slightly above where the blush was. I kind of like to think of it kind of like Neapolitan ice cream, where it's like the chocolate, the strawberry, and the vanilla. And so that they all kind of just like blend together and become one beautiful thing. For mascara, I'm going to be using my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I hope everyone's having a good day. I hope everyone has a great day depending on when you're watching this. we'll do the other side. We gotta top this off with the lip gloss. And then for lip gloss, I'm gonna be topping it off with my Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. And we're just gonna put a little bit on. Alrighty, so this completes today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!